Often ignored or misunderstood, the load indexes and performance ratings of a tire, which are located on the sidewall of a tire, play an essential role in the safety and proper handling of a vehicle. The load index indicates how much weight a tire can safely carry when inflated properly. The load index is not only about the load capacity of a tire, but also includes weight transfers when a vehicle accelerates, turns, and brakes. The load index of a tire is represented with a numeric code that can be referenced against a universal load index chart for the corresponding weight measurement. As the numeric code on the tire increases, so does the weight carrying capacity. In this example, the load index is marked as 91. As indicated on the load index chart, the maximum weight this tire can carry is 615 kilograms. To determine how much total weight that all tires of a vehicle can support, you simply multiply by the total number of tires on the vehicle. With a passenger vehicle, there are 4, so the total weight capacity for this vehicle would be 615 kilograms times 4 equals 2,460 kilograms. It's important to note that when installing tires on a vehicle, the load index number must be the same or higher than what the vehicle calls for. Any tires installed with a lower load index number can cause serious safety issues and is illegal in certain provinces. The performance rating, also called speed rating, is represented by the default value of the maximum speed that a tire can safely sustain over an extended period. The performance rating implies that the tire can properly dissipate heat as well as resist deformation caused by accelerations, braking, cornering, and the maximum speed it can safely maintain. The higher the rating, the better the tire performs. The performance rating is represented by an alpha code. It can be referenced against a universal speed rating chart for the corresponding maximum speed that can be safely maintained without risking tire failure. In this example, the rating is marked with an H. As indicated on the speed rating chart, the maximum speed is 210 kilometers per hour. When replacing tires, you must install tires that match or exceed the vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Installing tires with a lower performance rating will compromise safety maneuvers and result in premature wear, poor handling, increased fuel consumption, as well as longer braking distances. The load indexes and performance ratings can always be increased, but never lowered.